Hey there, how's it going? This is a quick overview on the Samsung front load washers. The customer complained that the washer would stop in mid-cycle, close be wet. So what I did was I put it into test mode, and I want you to hear what it sounds like when I put it into a drain. You can hear everything running, but the water's just moving down really slow. So even though that they weren't complaining about it not draining, that's something that you want to look into. And just I just wanted to see if you can hear a little bit of what that sounds like. So what I do here at the next step is I'm going to go ahead and go into the diagnostic mode here, and I'm going to fill it with water. I'm going to go ahead and put hot water in there, cold. Go ahead and test the valves while I'm in that mode anyways, and then put it into the drain cycle and confirm that. So what you need to do next is you have to get down to that drain. There's a drain pump there at the bottom. You want to go ahead and make sure all that water comes out. And the first thing you need to do is just remove that little plug there, and go ahead and just drain all that water till it comes out. And you want to make sure everything comes out. And once you get that out, you can inspect that filter down there, and more than likely it's going to be just filled up with debris. And that's pretty much what's making this machine not work. Go ahead and just get everything in there. Now this is what one should look like when it's clean. If you pull it out and it looks like that, then it's time to get to that pump. After that, I'm going to go ahead and put it into a test mode. I'm going to drain it and just listen to the difference here before and after. It's like a night and day difference. And that's basically what's causing their issues. This is just something to give you some info on. Even though they didn't complain about a drain, that's something you want to look into first on these types of units.